Welcome to Divine Touch Healing Academy. This is Geetu Mirpuri. I am a crystal therapist and I conduct classes on crystal therapy. This video is to explain you which is the best crystal for focus. You can see in the pic black tourmaline. It is the best crystal because it absorbs all the negativity from the environment, from the subconscious. So any type of distraction is absorbed by black tourmaline and it gives best focus ability. This crystal name is black tourmaline. It comes in different shapes, pyramid shape or wand shape. This wand can be used to draw the symbols. If you are a healer, Reiki healer, Lama Fera healer, you can draw symbols with black tourmaline wand, and thus you are protected from the negativity. Pencil shape can be hanged on the walls. Grounding, it's a grounding stone. It connects us to Mother Earth and also it aligns all our chakras and connects all the chakras to higher power, and thus we get healing energy from the cosmic. How to recognize this crystal? They are very heavy in weight, and the crystal has the original crystal, the rough crystal, it has vertical striations, ridges and furrows on it. When you hold it, you feel the vibration of it and you feel cold. These stones, they feel very cold. Another name for crystal is scroll. It is good for all signs. Whatever your zodiac sign, whatever your date of birth is, you can use this crystal. It's a general purpose crystal. It's a semi-precious stone and best for children because they are more prone to negativities, attracting negativities. Healers, tarot card readers, Vastu consultants, astrologers, doctors, they are continuously dealing with negativity of their patients, of their clients. So this crystal protects them from negativities. Now, where to place it? Best is to place it on the office desk, in the living room, and small crystals, cabochons, can be placed on the under the pillow, and they can be kept in the wallet, and they can be worn it as a jewelry. These pencil shaped crystal, they can be hanged on the walls. Other precautions, you have to buy energized black tourmaline. It should be programmed in your name so that the crystal knows who is the master, and you have to buy it from a genuine store, and you have to give Reiki to your crystal every day. If you don't know the Reiki, just small prayer or affirmation will help you, and you have to clean it every day, and you have to keep it in the open space. It shouldn't be kept in the closed drawers or cupboards. For more information, you can contact us on these numbers and you can visit the website. You can purchase it directly from the website. Healing properties of black tourmaline. It is the best crystal for focus, for concentration, and it enhances your potential. It aligns you to your higher self and it removes all the obstacles from your life. It makes you reach your goal and it gives you decision making capacity because it's a grounding stone. Any problem connected with the root chakra can be healed through black tourmaline. Legs pain, knee pain, it also can be healed through black tourmaline. It protects you from all negativity. It could be inner negativity, it could be outer negativity. Evil eye, psychic attack, all protections are through this black tourmaline. Everyday cleansing ritual, you can use it. And black tourmaline, you can put it in the glass of water, the small cabochon or a small tumble, and sprinkle that water in your home, in your office, in your factory, in your shop. So water of black tourmaline, it's called elixir. So even this elixir protects us from negativity. I hope you all will like this video. Kindly like it, share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.